Hey traders, welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of trading strategies and techniques. Today, we're going to explore a trading strategy that has the potential to amplify your gains and minimize your losses. We'll be diving deep into a unique and powerful trading strategy that combines the forces of two popular technical indicators, the RSI and the Bollinger Bands. By combining the Relative Strength Index and Bollinger Bands, we'll build a comprehensive approach that takes advantage of both oversold and overbought market conditions. So get ready to unlock the secrets of spotting potential buying and selling opportunities and optimizing your exits for maximum profit potential. So grab your notebooks and let's get started. Here I am going to use tradingview.com for my technical analysis, but you can use whatever charting software you want. Right now I am looking at the GBP/USD chart on the 30-minute time frame, but you can open any trading security you want in any time frame. Next, open the Indicator Search tab and type in Bollinger Bands in the search area. Select this one, click on it to add it to the chart. If you don't know how the Bollinger Bands indicator works, then let me give you a short explanation. Bollinger Bands consist of three lines. Think of them as your volatility compass. This middle line is like the heartbeat of the market. It's the 20-period simple moving average, or SMA. It tells us the average price over a set period. And then we've got these bands, the upper bands and the lower bands. They're like the market's boundaries. When these bands squeeze close together, it's like the market is taking a breather, lower volatility. And when they stretch apart, it's like a storm brewing, higher volatility. Now when the price touches or goes above the upper band, it's a signal that the market could be overbought. And conversely, when the price touches or goes below the lower band, it's a signal that the market could be oversold. Bollinger Bands also give us clues about potential reversals. See how the prices tend to dance around that middle line, the SMA line. When prices deviate too far, either above the upper band or below the lower band, there's a chance they might boomerang back towards the middle line. Bollinger Bands work great with friends, like the RSI indicator that we will be using in this video. Combining them strengthens our trading strategy. Alright, so let's add the RSI indicator to our chart. To apply the indicator, simply go to the indicator section and type RSI in the search box. And select this one, click on it to add it to the chart. Now let's head over to the indicator settings. In the style section, uncheck this moving average line option. Once done, click on OK to save the changes. The RSI oscillator oscillates on a scale of 0 to 100. When it's high, it means the market's feeling strong. When it's low, the market's taking a breather. When the RSI climbs above 70, it's like a flag signaling that the market might be getting a bit carried away, a potential sign of overbought conditions. And on the flip side, when the RSI drops below 30, it's like a quiet moment in the market, a hint that things might be oversold. Okay, so now let's build a strategy by combining the RSI with our trusty Bollinger Bands. It's like having two best friends on your trading journey. Let's begin with the rules for entering short positions. First, look for the RSI values above 70 as a potential sell signal, indicating overbought conditions. Look at this chart. Here, the RSI value is above the 70 level, indicating overbought conditions. Now, let's shift our focus to the Bollinger Bands for our entry signal. When the price crosses below the upper Bollinger Band, it could be a signal that the market is reversing from its overbought state. Enter a short trade when the price crosses below the upper Bollinger Band. For risk management, you can set your stop loss at the upper Bollinger Band line. As for the profit target, we'll aim for the lower Bollinger Band. Once the price touches the lower Bollinger Band, it's a signal for us to close our short position and take our profits. Let's look at some examples to help you understand. As you can see, here the RSI value was above the 70 level, which indicates that the market was in an overbought state. Furthermore, here the price crossed below the upper Bollinger Band line, suggesting that the market might be reversing from its overbought condition. So both of these conditions were met on this candle. We will open a short order at the beginning of the next candle. To protect ourselves from potential losses, you can set the stop loss at the upper Bollinger Band. Finally, we will close our position when the price touches the lower Bollinger Band. By following this strategy, we achieved a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 1.8 in this trade. Let's dive into some examples to help you understand better. Check it out. In this case, the RSI value is above the 70 level, which means the market was overbought. And guess what? The price even crossed below the upper Bollinger Band line, indicating a possible market reversal from its overbought state. So both of these conditions were met on this candle. We'll open a short order right at the start of the next candle. To protect ourselves from potential losses, just set the stop loss at the upper Bollinger Band. And when the price touches the lower Bollinger Band, that's when we'll close our position. In this trade, we achieved a risk-to-reward ratio of 1 to 3.4. Here again the RSI value is above the 70 level, indicating overbought conditions. And here the price also crosses below the upper Bollinger Band line, indicating a possible market reversal from its overbought state. So, both of these conditions were met on this candle. We'll open a short order right at the start of the next candle. Set the stop loss at the upper Bollinger Band line, and we will close our position here where the price touches the lower Bollinger Band. Now let's understand the conditions for entering a long trade. Entering a long position is the exact opposite of entering a short position. First, look for RSI values below 30 as a potential buy signal, indicating oversold conditions. Take a look at this chart. Here the RSI value is below the 30 level, indicating oversold conditions. Now, let's shift our focus to the Bollinger Bands for our entry signal. When the price crosses above the lower Bollinger Band, it could be a signal that the market is reversing from its oversold state. Enter a long trade when the price crosses above the lower Bollinger Band. For risk management, you can set your stop loss at the lower Bollinger Band line. And for the profit target, we will target the upper Bollinger Band. When the price touches the upper Bollinger Band, we will close our long position and take our profits. Let's see some examples. As you can see, here the RSI value is below the 30 level, which indicates that the market was in an oversold state. Furthermore, here the price crossed above the lower Bollinger Band line, suggesting that the market might be reversing from its oversold condition. So both of these conditions were met on this candle. We will open a long order at the beginning of the next candle. To protect ourselves from potential losses, you can set the stop loss at the lower Bollinger Band. Finally, we will close our position when the price touches the upper Bollinger Band. Let's see another long example. Here the RSI value is below the 30 level, which means the market was oversold. And here the price crossed above the lower Bollinger Band line, indicating a possible market reversal from its oversold state. So both of these conditions were met on this candle. We'll open a long order right at the start of the next candle. To protect ourselves from potential losses, just set the stop loss at the lower Bollinger Band. And when the price touches the upper Bollinger Band, that's when we'll close our position. Again, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. This is purely for informational purposes. So thank you guys for watching, and if you like the video then be sure to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss on any of our new videos. I'll see you in the next video.